Dan.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी. Sheila, Sheila की जवानी. I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी. No 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 no. Sheila, Sheila की जवानी. I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी.
Who has not got? Who has not got?
I need a man who can give me all that. जेब पे खाली फटी चल. No no, I don't like him like that.
चल यहाँ से निकल तुझे सब ला दूंगा कदमों में तेरे लाके जग रख दूंगा ख्वाब में तेरे दूंगा पूरे में रहेंगे अधूरे you know I'm gonna love you like that आए ऐसे कर से हमको हो गए सोहर से रे सूखे दिल पे बेघा बन के तेरी नजरिया पर से रे
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. You're never gonna get my body. I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी. माने ना माने चाहे दुनिया ये सारी तेरे इश्क की मैं दीवानी. अब दिल करता है हौले हौले से मैं तो खुद को गले लगाऊं. किसी और की मुझे कैसा जरूरत क्या मैं तो खुद से ही प्यार जताऊं. What's my name? What's my name? My name is Sheila. Sheila की जवानी. I'm too sexy for you.
Yeah, one.
मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी. Oh no no. Sheila, Sheila
Who has done? Did you done?
I'm too sexy for you.
I gave you one. You want to? Okay, done, Papa. Come.
मैं जड्डियों
Anyone left? Oh, I give. Don't worry. It's all for them. This cannot be for me.
मैं जड्डियों मिला पगला दीवाना
And TV, the TV camera too hot.
मिला पगला दीवाना इतनी सी बात न जाना के
Hi, Dr. Baba. Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of the show. And how do you find this educated cuisine? Very good. Lot of improvement, both in health and organization. Thank you very much. And ma'am, very good of you to be here on a Sunday. And you tell us about this educated 011.
Hello.
उसने तो कहा हर बात को इशारे में
Thank you very much. Sonali. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sonali, could I have some lollipops for children over here? Anyone left out? Don't worry, no one. She's already had one. You want? I don't mind. I'll give her two. Yeah, take one. Take one. You want one? You want? Come on. Oh, I'll give you.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी. माने ना माने कोई दुनिया ये सारी मेरे इश्क की है दीवानी. Hey you, I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी. माने ना माने कोई दुनिया ये सारी मेरे इश्क की है दीवानी.
Sonali, some lollipops.
हौले हौले से मैं तो खुद को गले लगाऊं. किसी और की मुझे कोई जरूरत क्या मैं तो खुद से ही प्यार जताऊं. What's my name?
I'll give.
What's my name? What's my name? My name is Sheila. Sheila की जवानी. I'm too sexy for
Don't worry. I give. 1 minute. They're just getting the lollipop. Lollipop, just hold on. We are just getting some stocks. And I give you. 1 minute, baby. I have a chocolate, but the chocolate is a bit worn out, so just leave it in the fridge. And don't teach a child how to cry. Teach a child how to laugh.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना
All for y'all, don't worry. Yeah, take this. Go.
चले यहाँ से निकल तुझे सब ला दूंगा कदमों में तेरे लाके जग रख दूंगा हाँ मैं कर दूंगा पूरे
Yeah, come on, I'll give you one more.
No, I'm gonna love you like that हाय ऐसे कर से हमको हो गए सोहर से
I give it to you.
झूठे दिल पे बेगा बन के तेरी नजरिया पर से
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. You're never gonna get my body. I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it.
Who's left out?
कभी ना नी माने ना माने चाहे दुनिया ये सारी तेरी इश्क की मैं दीवानी अब दिल करता है हौले हौले से मैं तो खुद को गले लगाऊं
क्या की
और इतनी चिट्ठी जरूरत क्या मैं तो खुद से ही प्यार जताऊं What's my name? My name is Sheila. Sheila की जापानी. I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी. Oh no no Sheila. Sheila की जापानी. I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी. Oh Sheila. Sheila की जापानी. I'm way too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी.
I give it to you.
Nobody got a body like Sheila. Everybody want my body out. Sheila. Drive you crazy 'cause my name is Sheila. Ain't nobody got a body like Sheila. Ain't nobody got a body like Sheila. Everybody want my body out. Sheila. Drive you crazy 'cause my name is Sheila. Ain't nobody got a body like Sheila.
Who's left? You have been without a chocolate the second time? Third time? First time? And look at your lovely teeth. What have you done eating all the chocolates?
खोली जो बोतल तूने यार
मैं जटियम मैं जटियम
Chalo, put him. Let her dance.
पगला दिला मैं जटियम मिला पगला दीवाना मैं जटियम मिला
Now are the parents enjoying the show? Very much. And in the afternoon when you all came, you all were absolutely really tired. So imagine us from 1 year, we keep on doing all this for you all. Fourth time you are coming, okay. And who was the little girl who came in the Sunday midday today? Who was the little girl who came in the Sunday midday on in the Sunday Midday today, there is a big article of the healthy baby. I want the child to come up on the stage. Today, Sunday Midday, a child's photograph along with a write-up has come in Sunday Midday, page 7. I don't know who the child is. If the child is over here, where's the child? If the child is over here, I want the child and the parents to come here. This is a certificate for Nidhi Menon. Is Nidhi Menon over here? Nidhi Menon. Okay, Nidhi. Okay, I'll take out a lucky draw. Okay, chalo, come, I give it to you. Just pick up. This is from Happy Planet. And the serial number for this, there's no serial number. Okay, the winner for the second lucky draw is Sanjay Vanjare. And the name of the child is Shreya. Is Sanjay Vanjare over here? Sanjay Vanjare. I think I'll give a call on the mobile number. Sonali, just give a call on this mobile number. They are the winners today for the second draw. And let's hear some music. Sonali, can we hear some music? You want a lollipop? I think the children ought to be over here. If they have to be on the home cable, they all need to be on the stage. I would not like to see parents carrying their children and sitting over there. You over there with the red one. Sit here. Hi, and how are you? Abha Agarwal is the judge and she's looking at all the children very carefully and she's going to decide and name the winner for the best dancer in the child category today. She's coming, I think, but let Abha, I give you 5 or 10 more minutes. You can still take your time to select who the best dancer could be. So I want all the children to dance over here. You want an award and I give that one to you. It's going to be decided by Abha Agarwal. She's a dancer herself, a very good dancer. And she's going to decide on who the best dancer today is going to be amongst all of you all. Karan, I want some water. Karan. We have one more surprise for you all. Mr. Soni Jain and his troupe has arrived over here. And on a dance, they are going to depict a painting. You are going to see that. Hi, Abha. And Abha, welcome to this Healthy Baby 2011. And Abha, have you ever been to a Healthy Baby show before?
Not really. I haven't ever been to Healthy Baby.
And this is the first time that you have come here. How did you find the show to be?
It's really good. There is so much of crowd. It's really exciting.
Abha, tell me how you decide on the best dancer.
Let's see, somebody maybe who's not shy and without the parents, somebody moves. Maybe, yeah, that would be the criteria, I think.
How did you find them dance-wise? Do you think they have a class of their own?
Yeah, I think they're really good. For such small kids, I think they're really good.
Do you think the future of Saroj and Farah Khan in them?
I'm sure, definitely.
And how are they monitoring and dancing to the tune and the bars of music?
Very good. I feel these days kids are really smart, so they know all the songs. Sheila Ki Jawani is a hit. So the moment they hear these songs, I saw all the kids all the steps, the similar steps, they were all doing it together. So
Okay, and whom have you selected as the best dancer in the child category today? In this green? Okay, and what's your name, baby? Hey, you have been selected as the best dancer in the Healthy Baby 2011. Come here. Wow, and you're shaking hands. Shake hands with Abba. Come here. And what's your name? It's not. See, who is blocking? Now you are standing over here.